Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see the two notifications. One is the walk-in interviews in the government college. So here the post-graduation candidates and the PhD candidates can apply, but here the separate salaries are there. For the post-graduation candidates, 60,000 rupees per month. Here the UGC NET is not required, and the PhD candidates is going to get the 70,000 rupees per month. And the second notification is 1,000 PSU jobs plus 518 trainee positions are there, and the eligibility is a degree. So please share this information after completely watching this video. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. First notification, that is a walk-in interviews in the government college, that is Indian Institute of Information Technology, Bhopal, and the mentor institute is Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology. So here the walk-in interview for appointment of temporary faculty. So for IIT, for IIIT Bhopal, it is to be held as per the schedule given below. Candidates having the master's or PhD degree in respective discipline may submit application and resume along with the photocopies of certificates and testimonials in the office of IIIT Bhopal or on or before 25th November 2020 up to 12 o'clock afternoon. Preference shall be given to the candidate having PhD degree. Please visit the institute website for more details. And here the date of interview is the 26th November 2020. So morning 9 a.m. for the electronics and communication engineering and 1 p.m. for the physics, and 9 a.m. on 27th for the computer science engineering and information technology. So candidates must bring their original certificates and testimonials for its verification, and the tenure of appointment shall be from 21st December 2020 to 15th May 2021 and may be extended further after approval from competent authority. So selected candidates shall be consolidated salary of 70,000 rupees per month having PhD and 60,000 rupees per month for others. The director reserves the right to select or reject any candidate or call for interviews. Okay, so it is a notification, guys. Okay, it's a direct walk-in interview that you can directly go here. The address also mentioned, so there is no application fee also. Fine. So, but you have to submit the application along with the photocopies of certificates and testimonials in the office on or before 25th November 2020, and you can attend the interview on the 26th and the 27th for the corresponding department. Okay, so it is a one notification. And another one, while coming to the Still Outlook website, you can check down the RITES Limited RITES announces recruitment of 170 engineers, so you can apply now. And here it is a Mini Ratna Central Public Sector Enterprise, okay, under the Ministry of Railways. And the recruitment for the engineering professionals on the contract basis, the number of vacant posts are 170. So here the civil, electrical, mechanical posts are there, and the application fee is 600 rupees. Okay, and application fee for the EWS, SC, ST, PWD candidates 300 rupees. Selection process based upon the written test in the 6 centers. The centers also mentioned here. And based upon the performance in the written test, the candidates will be called for the interview. Okay, and maximum age limit is 40. The cutoff date for calculation of age is 1st November 2020, and the degree qualification is BE or BTech or BSc degree in civil engineering and 2 years of experience. So candidate should have post qualification experience of minimum 2 years in the construction supervision And while coming to the electrical, so engineering, BE, BTech or BSc in electrical and electronics engineering. Here also the 2 years of experience is required. Next one is a BE, BTech or BSc in the mechanical or production or industrial or automobile engineering. Okay. So for the more details and the accurate details, you have to visit the official website, guys. And second one is a NBCC. So it is also a central public sector enterprise. So total 100 posts are there for the civil and electrical. The job location is Delhi, Odisha, Jharkhand, and applicants has to pay 500 rupees. Okay, and SC, ST, PWD and departmental candidates are exempted from the payoff fee. And here, while coming to the qualification, full-time BE, BTech degree in civil engineering and minimum 2 years of experience, and upper age limit is the 35. The consolidated pay is 42,500 rupees per month. And coming to the electrical BE or BTech in electrical engineering, okay, and the percentage is also mentioned. So minimum 2 years of experience. Upper age limit is the 35, and the consolidated remuneration is the 42,500 rupees per month. Okay. And coming to the selection will be decided by the NBCC depending upon the response received against each post. The selection criteria for candidates applying for the above post can be way of personal interview or maybe the group discussion or the personal interview or written test also may be followed. So it is a one post. Coming to the another one, the Bharat Electronics recruiting 418 trainee engineers and 118 project engineers. Selection based upon the video based interview will be there. So these are the posts depending upon the departments that you can check down for the trainee engineers. And educational qualification BE, BTech or BSc, and for the trainee engineers one, here the BE, BTech, BSc or Bachelor of Architecture, and the post qualification experience. So candidate should possess minimum 2 years, and for trainee engineers minimum 6 years of experience. So the selection procedure, aggregate marks secured in the qualifying degree, 75% weightage will be there, and here the relevant post qualification experience 10%, and the interview total 100 marks will be there. Okay, and intimation on conducting video based interviews will send via email ID. The last date to apply is the 25th November 2020. And in the same Bharat Electronics Limited, the few more posts are also there. So the 225 trainee engineer 1 and 100 posts for project engineer 1. So here you can check, in total 225 posts are there. For trainee engineer 100, and for the project engineer 125 posts are there. The closing date is 21st November 2020, this one. So 4 years BE, BTech or BSc degree is required for this one. And they mentioned here the trainee engineer 1 and project engineer 1, number of posts, upper age limit, and the relevant experience. Okay, and the area of experience is also mentioned here. Okay, so the selection procedure, the recruitment notification mentioned that merit list will be prepared based upon the aggregate percentage obtained in the graduation and work experience. Okay, so these are all the details, guys. Okay. So I will provide all the official links in the description box of this video, so you may kindly check down. So total these are the different notifications that I want to show you. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments and who are waiting for such type of notifications. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be And why? Because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.